How to remove posts from TikTok favorites. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply click on TikTok. Here you guys will see profile pic on down right side. So simply click here. Now here you guys will see TikTok studio also on top right corner three lines. But down the TikTok studio you guys will see lock option, also two arrows, also that option. So simply click here. Now here you guys will see post collection sound effects. So for favorite videos simply you guys will click on the post videos, post like post are 497. Here you want to remove any video from favorite, so simply click on video. Now here you guys will see on downside yellow icon, that type of favorite, so simply click here. Once you click here, your that video will be removed from favorites. It works on Android, iPhone, Samsung. The process was same. Thanks for watching.